going into waterproof mode. Cover on the side bag, cover on the top bag. I didn't have the cover for the top bag because the previous owner said it just disappeared one time. I can see why, because I had these on yesterday and then this one was nearly flying off. It was ready to just fall off. This one was doing okay. It was ballooning with a bunch of air. It was full of air. So the idea here is, if we get that on there and that on there, this up here, this homemade harness there is going to hold that one in place. Hello. It's going to hold that one in place. It's going to also hold this one in place. Just by good old-fashioned gravity. And voila, we are more or less in waterproof mode. And the top bag for the tent and sleeping bag is supposed to be waterproof on its own.